Last year at CES, Acer released the Swift 7, and this year they've got a brand new version that pretty much feels completely redesigned. It's super small and super thin. The new Swift 7 doesn't have the most powerful hardware you'll find. It has Intel's 8th generation Core i7, it's the Y series. That means it's fanless, which is great, but it's not going to be quite as powerful as some other laptops. However, in exchange for the lower power processor, you get a computer that is extremely thin and light. And this year they've basically gotten rid of every single bezel on the display as much as you can. It's very, very small. Last year's model had a pretty thick bezel down at the bottom. That's totally gone. One of the things that did have to move was the webcam, which is now located on the keyboard. But the nice thing about that is you can just close it away and nobody will be hacking your camera and seeing you. The new Swift 7 costs $1699, and that comes with the aforementioned Core i7 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage. The display is 14 inches, that's up from the 13.3 inches on last year's model, and it's a full 1080p resolution with a touchscreen. So if you like to use touch on Windows 10, you're covered there. Acer says that the new Swift 7 will ship this May, and we'll be keeping our eye out for it then, put it through the paces, and see how it stacks up to the other thin and light laptops on the market.